What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Doing a midweek Camarillo visit because I don't know, why not? Alright, but let's go see what's up over there, see what they got. I'm hearing from a bunch of you guys outlets getting tons of heat, so man, we gotta hit up the outlet strong. Make sure you help a boy out, press that like button if you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button, click on that notification bell. Yeah, we check out a bunch of Nike outlets, we check out sneaker shops, we do all kinds of sneaker related stuff here. All right, let's look around. All right, we're gonna start with this heat section and then we're gonna look around. They got more heat than last time. Okay. Got a few retros. Damn, Carmines, that's definitely surprising. I think that's my favorite piece here, and it's clean. It's clean. Yeah, it looks super white, not pink. Those of you guys that have been collecting for a while, y'all know these came in pink as hell. Size 11, going for retail. Jordan 1 Golf. How many of these have we seen lately? Size 9.5. No discounts on any of these. Retail for these, this is like a size 13. Size 15. Okay. Another huge sneaker right there. Mid. This is a size 7. Size 8. Size 8. Brotherhoods right there. Some Jades. Got some of these dunks right there. And then some of these dunks. They do leave the boxes behind. Most of the time, I don't see a box behind this one. Okay. The acid something. Alright, I did peruse the aisles real quick. Didn't see anything crazy. Tons of Air Max, tons of good deals. Alright, let's check out the 20% off one. Size 7, 110 for these bad boys. Man, and you get that 20% off. 110, this was 130, now it's down to 110. Man, I also saw it in the aisles over there too though. I don't think it was 110, I think it was 129. Alright, 129 for these Air Max 2017, size 7.5. Zions go for 90. Size 8, 120 for these charcoal color ones. Okay. 65 for the KD Tray 5.8. I said I'm size 8, right? Pegasus 37s go for what, 90. Then full retail for the Kyrie Infinities. Dang it. Invincible on Flyknits go for 90. Solid running shoe. React Milo go for 60. Might be the best budget running shoe right there. Size 9 LeBrons going for full retail, looks like. You guess you get the 20 off. Air Max pre-days go for $90. More of these bad boys, $110. Jumbos, the Blazer Jumbos right here. Blazer mid Jumbos, $120. Harachis. Man, that's like obliterated. Oh, it's $100. $99.97. I see it right next door. Ton of those. Pegasus Trail 2s go for $100. We've seen those cheaper. Air Flight 89s go for 90. Seen those. Oh no, that's the lowest we've seen those. 6 rings 75. That's actually a really good deal. People love the 6 rings. Dude, got the Max R's go for 90. Air Force One Reacts $1.25. That's a size 10. Size 9 Air Force One Scopes go for 130. Okay, here these go for these are 10.5. Got the latest Jordan. Alright, to be able to get 20% off, not bad. These are 195, I believe. Size 10, 120 for these. More of these in size 10.5. Take one, 65. That's the cheapest we've seen those. That's Westbrook's budget line right there. 11.5. Got one of these. Funny because they'll put it in the clearance section, then maybe the clearance, maybe that heat wall you do get 20% off maybe. Size 11 ACG Mox. Okay, regular price. Phantom GT Elites, weren't these down to like $70? They're back to $2. Holy crap. Size 12 LeBrons go for $230. Man, we haven't seen those go on sale yet. More of these go for 90. Size 12. I don't have any LeBron 9s yet. Damn, I need to grab one. No 13s all the way up to size 14. Retail for these Jordans. Blazers go for 85. More Pegasus Trails, $100 for those. All right, got these. The Vaporfly Next Percent go for $100. More Blazers, 85. 15s. This is it. This is the only shoe here. $70 for the kill shots. Oh wait, oh you guys got this. This garbage. So that's it. That's it. All right, I did talk to one of the workers. He did say that no discount on the heat wall. No discount on the heat wall. Could be due to the sizing and stuff. I was wondering why the Jordan 1 Low Golf was right there and then also in the heat wall. Didn't really make much sense, but that's what it is. Checking the aisles now. Probably not too different from the last time I came here because I only came here, what, a week and a half ago, but we'll still look. We'll still look. LeBron Witness 5s. That's an interesting color. I don't think I've ever seen that one before. And then the KD 15s. I was just surprised to see those. Remember when 20% off of that? That was crazy. Giannis Immortalities. Budget Giannis right there. Fly traps. Always see plenty of those. Fly trap 4s. Another one of those. Last one right there. Oh wait, no, that's the last one. Got the Zoom Freaks. Another Immortality right here. Oh, I thought they had more witnesses. Yep. These are all in a different section from that other one. Got some blue ones. Then red ones. Got soldiers now. Just the whole outlet's gonna be full of LeBrons apparently. So we haven't even seen the 19s make it here like in droves like that. Killshot 2 leathers. Alley-oops. Oh, it has a buddy now. It's not by himself. Benassi slides. Man, extra hard, man. Extra hard. It did go down. They don't have my size though. Biggest size 9.5. Damn, that is so freaking cheap, man. Glide Fly Ease supposed to come on and off super quick. These as well. These are supposed to do the same, better technology though, because this actually breaks open. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Ooh, yeah, there you go. So that's how it looks when you open it, and then you step your feet inside or your foot inside. Then it goes like that. Biggest size is size 9 though. The weird ISPA flows look like some alien stuff. And then this is the weird one with the toes and everything. Okay, go for way too much. Space Hippie ones, Crater Impacts, Challenger OGs, got a couple of them. Air Max Pre-Days, look like snowmobiles like on the back. Got a few of them, okay. Air Max Terrascape Plus. And then there is a deluge of Air Max 2017s. Got this extra bright colorway. This Royal one, I've never, actually, the Royal's a separate one. This is like a dark blue one. First time I've seen that at the outlets. Damn, I swear I thought I saw more. Going for way too much. 270s, 2090. Few of these colorways. Go for way too much. Remember, these were down like 60, 70 bucks. What, pandemic years, I think. Then Air Max 95s. All white, 97s, and then look at that. Yep. If you guys watch my videos, y'all saw how much I got these for. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. That's crazy. I literally got $100 off of those. Damn. Air Max 2021s, another one of those, and we got 2090s. And then yes, some tan Junes. Weren't these like Nike's best-selling shoe for a long time? Nike Free Runs, N7 section right here, 95s. Crater Trail Mox, different colorway. Is that the same thing? Same thing. Oh, okay. Air Max APs, Wild Horse, and then a bunch of running shoes. Pegasus, Infinity Run Flyknits, a couple of those, ton of these, and then ton of these. Look at that, not bad. $30 off. So is that 120? 120 for these? Not too bad. Alphafly Next Percent, they're freaking premier running shoe. They are coming out with Alphafly Next Percent 2s. But yeah, that's hella cheap. Normally $3 down to 120. Wow. All kinds of movement going on in the women's section. They're moving stuff left and right. Dude, I don't know what the hell I saw. I was watching on Instagram and I saw some dude sell a black and white Cortez for $250. Like, holy crap, is there that much of a shortage? This is in the women's section. This only goes up to size 9.5. Forrest Gump Cortez. Those of you guys that watch Forrest Gump, this is the one that he was running in when he ran across the entire country and then he just stopped like all randomly. Hirachis right here. Air Max 2017s. Got a bunch of these, okay. This one's dope. It does have that 3M right there. And then this one, yeah, that's just a weird color. I don't know if you'd like to stand out, I guess. Air Max 2090s, another one of those. Got a trio of them. Air Max 97s. And then where did we go? This was full price. And I was like, what the hell? Look at that, dude. Cheap as F right here. Under $90. Air Max 90s. Vapor Max Flyknits, 2021s. Super Rep 2s if you want to do some high intensity interval workouts. HIIT Super Rep Goes, another one of those. Dang, they got the 3s here already? Holy cow, got all that extra tech on it. Okay, damn, that's a really good price. Metcons if you want to work out, Metcon 7s. Oh, this is a pretty dope colorway, okay. And that's it for the dope stuff. Air Max Correlates, Legend Essentials, just that stuff right there, that's it. Got some grade school stuff here, look at this. Look at this, the Royalty 12s? Holy cow. 47. I got these, I guess they're B grades. I've never seen B grades like that, that's funny. Then also got these on the other side. This is preschool. God dang, that's a big dog, really? Like, just the big ass dogs like that? And man, if that thing bit someone, man, what the hell? All right, let's check out the clearance apparel. We didn't find much last week. Ooh, I've never seen this here. Florida Gators jersey. That is dope. I've never seen college jerseys like that here. $100. They got different sizes right here. That's dope. $100. You did get 20% off. These are normally $140. Damn, we're in California. You'd think they'd throw some freaking USC jerseys or something. You know, USC or UCLA. $70 for that. Dude, just t-shirts and stuff. Not really finding too much around here. Shorts and stuff, man. Nothing really hitting, dude. To be really honest, nothing. They got Jordan t-shirts, 30% off. I think it's the same stuff that I showed last time. I think we're gonna cut it short, dude. $25. Probably a shorter vlog, because there just isn't that much. We're gonna wrap it up though. We're gonna wrap it up. But before I leave, I do have to check the section out. I did see someone buying the Carmines. Yeah, but nothing too crazy. All right. Always got to check to see if they bring out something new, because it's always random, dude. Super random. All right, we're done. Oh man, I'm pushing stuff over. All right, we're done. Out. Got one of those sneaker cleaning people or business right there trying to sell stuff. But yeah, we're done. Nah, man. He's like, oh, definitely don't need to clean my shoes. These are clean as hell, man. Dude got the undefeated dunks on. All right, we're done, dude. We're done. Out. All right, guys, that was Camarillo. Yeah, could you believe that heat section? Like, you serious? Like, what the hell? That was just insane. Man, that was insane. The Carmines, the fact that we saw those Carmines, we haven't seen those in forever. We really haven't seen those forever. Those were a clean pair too. They were white. They weren't like pink and all that stuff. So that was kind of crazy, man. Like, I just didn't expect that. Man, that like was the first time we've seen those Carmines in quite some time. But yeah, that was pretty dope. And then Air Maxes in the aisles, man. The Air Maxes not bad. Had quite a few that might be worth copping. If they are some of the Air Max that you like, might be worth it. But yeah, man, not bad. Nike Outlet definitely heating up. Been hearing about people finding what are they? The Bread 4s. They're only size 15 though. And they've been very sparse. There haven't been many when they have come. I think the last spot that I talked to people, they only got like 6 pairs of stuff. So it's not like a ton are coming in. But maybe it depends on the outlet. On Instagram, also saw fools out east getting Bread 11s. Kind of crazy. I have not heard of that out in Southern California. Maybe I'm just not in the know. I don't know, but I haven't really heard of that or seen it or talked to any of the workers who've told me that. So it is what it is. If any of the Nike outlets that you guys work at or that you guys visit, if you guys have been getting stuff, let me know, man. Because you know I'm not gonna reveal my source. I'll just come out and see what's up. You know. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. By the way, I am wearing this hoodie because I had to wear this at work today. It was so freaking cold in the office. I had to freaking wear a hoodie. That was just kind of weird because as soon as I came out, it was like 95 degrees. I was like, what the hell? But yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Go ahead, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. And yeah, man, we finding heat at the outlet, you guys. Finding heat. So yeah, good luck to you guys when you guys go to the outlets. Hope you guys are able to cop some stuff. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.